at the piano tutorial of I Believe by Dinah Hamilton. It was in the key of C, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive in. Alright, so let's break that down. Look at the other versions. Okay, do re mi fa like this, but they were flipping. Okay, from the mi to the fa. Alright, so they did this particular movement 2 times, so like this. Again. Then they will introduce the brass. Okay, so the brass, they did this. Do re mi so. Okay, do re mi so. Okay, so pardon me, I didn't mention the progression I'm doing. So I did the 2. Most of you are asking for so fast notation. Okay, so the 2, the 6, then the 5. So the same as the re, la, the so. Okay, so whichever key you play inside, you can be able to play this particular one. Okay, so let's get back to the brass. Then next time you play chords, so like that. Okay, so as soon as we did this, then we play the chords. Re mi fa mi do. Then we play. Okay, so let's check slowly. So already I've mentioned this. Re mi fa mi do. Then I'm doing the line do. Okay, the 6 and the 1. 3 times. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the su. Then fa. Okay. La ti. Then we play so la. Okay, so la do ti la so. So la do ti la so. Then we play do re mi do. Okay, then the song will start. Alright, so this is do. This the do and so. So let's check from that side. Start the song. I believe that you are able to do exceedingly abundantly far above, for like a for day. I believe. You say yes, I believe that. I believe that you are able to do exceedingly abundantly far above. Okay, so let's check the progression. So I believe we started from the 1. I believe that you to the 4. Then 6. Abundantly so. The 5. So let's go one more time. I believe 1. That you are able 4 to do exceed 6. Abundantly 5. Far above 1. All I 2, 3, 4. I believe. Then 1 over the 5. Then 5. Yes, I believe. Then 6, 7, 1. Alright. So but they prayed it in a particular sequence. So do 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 so so